If Quick Share does not work on Google Pixel 11 Pro, what you can do is you can go to Settings. Now, over here in Settings, you should be able to proceed to Connected Devices. Then here, open Connection Preferences, and then in this menu, you want to go to Quick Share. Now, once you are here, the first thing that you might want to do is check if you have the mobile data usage activated. So, of course, this option depends on a couple of things, whether you want to have it enabled or not. But generally speaking, if, for example, you are somewhere outside of your home and you don't have Wi-Fi, and this option is disabled, then naturally you will most likely not be able to properly transfer the data. So you might want to actually turn it on, unless of course you do not have a mobile data plan, like a proper mobile data plan that allows you to use it without worries. But besides that, another thing that is quite important is that you can go to Who Can Share With You, and here we can adjust the visibility. So most likely you want to choose everyone for 10 minutes over here to make sure that your phone is detectable by every other device that is near you. So in case on another device your phone cannot be found, then of course you might want to go over here and make that change over here, or just make sure that visibility is enabled in general. But instead of going to this menu over here to adjust the settings, what you can also do is you can simply open Quick Share and go to the Receive menu, which you can do here from the settings. So you can tap on Receive to just jump here, or you can use the Quick Share button that we have in the Quick Settings panel, or in Notifications even. So you can tap here to, of course, jump here. Now, the reason why you want to stay here in Receive, why you want to open this, is simply because as long as you are here, you are temporarily visible to everyone. So no matter what the setting is of Quick Share on your phone, as long as you have this menu opened, you can be pretty much certain that your phone can be found on other devices. So then once you receive any files that someone tries to send you, then of course you can accept them and just wait until they are fully transferred. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.